Hey guys, welcome back to channel. Today I'm gonna give you guys a quick review on my new winch, BADLAND Apex 12,000 pound synthetic line winch with a wireless remote control. It's from a Harbor Freight. I got it installed on my steel bumper, 75th anniversary edition bumper. I believe this same bumper as the Hard Rock edition and the 10th anniversary edition and all other Rubicon steel bumper. I think the same bumper. So I got it installed over the weekend. It's pretty good. I did a couple of test run. It's pretty good. Looks pretty pretty tough. It's beefy. If you get a chance to go to Harbor Freight, you get a hands on. It looks good quality. I heard there's a lot of people online says, you know, the tools from Harbor Freight is not really that good, but I did some research on not other thing but on this winch. I got a lot of good feedback, and also I checked out some a video from my other Jeep owner, so they gave pretty decent feedback on this. And also the price, you can't really beat the price, right? Compared with the Warren Zeon 10S, this is way cheaper. Okay, so I bought this for $479, and I paid $199 for 2 years extended warranty. So the altogether is like $670. That's like with tax. I say this is such a steal to get a decent winch like this. I also looking at other winch like a Quadratech. Their Q series is in the same price range, but that one looks way smaller. The capacity is not really. I believe that one's 10,000 pounds. Well, but this one's 12,000 pounds. So anyway, it's pretty. I did a couple test run with it. It's pretty good. Fairly easy to operate, right? Of course, I haven't gone to a trail yet, but it looks pretty good. And the whole installation is not really complicated, right? They come with this emergency switch. I'm not saying emergency. Come with this switch. So basically you can turn this off now. So I can turn it on. So yeah, I just put it right here. I think this is a good spot for the switch. So I just run my wire from there. So I just come all the way from there. I just go underneath my my box, and zip tie right here, and the one wire goes to negative right here, and another one to here. But all I need to concern is this switch. So now it's turned on, and I know a lot of people have questions with this winch, especially with this bumper. They're trying to figure out how the fitment for this bumper. It's fit pretty well, as you can see. They just sit right there. It's sit in the center. You know, the I use a maximum 3 winch plate. It's pretty much, it's easy. Just pretty much install the winch plate right there. Then you set the winch on top of it. Oh, by the way, you do need to remove the water pump. So I make a cut right here. I cut because the water pump was originally mounted right here. I have to move it because this is such a big winch. So maximum 3. It come with a relocated kit for the water pump. So I just put it right there, then cut, then it'll fit perfect. Not gonna go anywhere. And I also I bought a poison Spyder winch spacer for Zeon winch. I just put on there because I did a little research. Some people said their switch might hate the bumper right here, and so they have to put a spacer in between and just preventing the operation, because for some of the reason I think because there is the JL steel bumper. It's a little bit different, but from what they say and pictures, so this switch they can't really fully turn because they hate this part right here. That's why I bought the spacer just in case. But from my experience, I don't really need it. But you know what? I already installed it. I'm not gonna take it off. Everything looks nice and easy. You can just switch. This is no problem for switch on and off. Yeah, I love very much for the price I paid. And it comes with a remote control as well. It's wireless control, so all you need to do is hold this price for 3 seconds. All right, now your turn on. Give me 1 second, guys. Let me operate this for you. All right, let's do it. It's hard to multitasking there. All right. So you can pretty much just grab this, sit in your car, then get your wind strap, during all that good thing. You just strap up on the tray, and just sit in the car upon the neutral, and just get yourself out of those situation when you get stuck. So yeah, let me know, guys, if you guys have any question, especially with this bumper. Yeah, from my experience, I have no problem to install this winch on my bumper. One thing though, I see some Jeep with similar bumper, they're is off center. You need to cut a hole somewhere right here, but I don't have that problem. So I'm just put it right now. It's nothing really need to be a drill hole, extend the hole or anything. So everything else is pretty self-explanatory when you get the the instruction. So yes, here's my setup: BADLAND Apex 12,000 pound winch with steel bumper, Jeep steel bumper, and a maximum 3 winch plate plus Poison Spyder Zeon winch spacer. Again, if you like my channel, please just subscribe to my channel. I have more video coming up. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Have a good day.